This is pretty much the home screen of the AI application. Very easy to use, nothing hard for you to not understand. So here you can pretty much enter what you pretty much want to ask the AI. Hey, what's up? What's up? So simple, nothing out of ordinary. So, yeah, and this is pretty much their reply. And you can either copy the reply, pretty much share the reply. If you want to hear what the AI say, you can pretty much tap on the speaker option here. And it will
Hey,
give you,
what's up?
as you can see here, the worded response or the voice response. As well, down here, you can give the like if you do like their response. If you don't like their response, you can always go ahead and tap on the circle icon at the pen here, pretty much generate something different. And as well, you do have the tools option. If you do tap on the tools option down here, you can enable web search. So not just regular search, web search, where you pretty much can let the AI search the internet for you. As well, deep thinking can enable this feature if you do want. Only enable it if you're going to use it. And once you finish, you do disable it. Do have the plus icon here to pretty much if you do want to upload any images or photos, or files or documents, can tap on the plus icon there. Then you tap on whichever one you want. If you want to take a picture right away, which is camera, or if you want to go ahead and upload the image from the gallery section there, you can go ahead. And down here where it says files, it's pretty much where you go to upload your documents. So in the download folder, wherever folder, you might be having that document that you want to upload. As well, if you're tired of typing, you can always use their voice feature. Down here, you can see they have a little mic down here which you can use, as you can see here. So very simple AI chatbot, I would say, very easy to use, nothing hard for you to not understand. And you can also tap on the three dots over here. Once you do tap on the three dots over here, you have the option to change the AI model that you want to use. So you have a lot of popular AI models, as you can see here. These are all the available AI models for you to use. Also, you have the image model if you're going to generate images over this section here as well. And also, you have the option if you do want the short reply or long reply, all depends on you. I would recommend you let it stay on the auto option here, and as well you have the tools option. So if you don't have the pro subscription, you won't be able to use the models or the pro models, as you can see here. So ChatGPT 5.4, you won't be able to use that unless you have the pro subscription. So to get your pro subscription is fairly easy. Just tap on the pro option at the top here. Once you do tap on the pro option, pretty much you see their yearly subscription price. Let's say 60 USD, as you can see here, per here, and you have the 3 days free trial which they give you. Then you start paying $7 a week for your subscription, and you pretty much be getting unlimited messages, access to the best models, unlimited image generation, and pretty much that'll be it. So yeah, so very decent application. The layout is very simple, easy to use, no over complicated things here. And if you do want to pretty much check the chat section, you can tap on the 3 lines over here. And as you can see here, you have the chat section over here. As well, you can tap on the 3 dots over here. If you do want to delete chat, tap on the delete chat option, and it will pretty much clear the chat, and it pretty much can start over again. And as well, it will clear all the chats. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And we do have a feature at the top here where pretty much have the temporary or incognito mode, where once you do enable it, as you can see here, the chat will disappear once you start speaking or you start interacting with it, basically, or you close the application. So I would say incognito mode. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section, and we'll see if we can help you out. See you in the next one.